Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about offsets and how to use them in a memory editor named Game Guardian. So let's start. In this screenshot you can see some text written in green color, which are the address of the value stored. If you don't know how to open this in Game Guardian, search your value, then click the value and click Go to, and you will get this type of view. The green text written in this screenshot is the address in hex format. Hex is another way of representing the data. So now let's talk what offset really is. The simplest explanation of offset is distance. Offset means distance between two values, and this is everything you need to know. If you want to calculate offset between two values, then select them and click this button to get the distance between them. Don't be scared, it is just a subtraction of one hex value from another. Now you may ask, what is the use of offset in making cheat script? There are many uses. The first one is to make the script faster. Search a single value near to your main value. Then apply offset to your main value. Refine the results and get faster cheat activation. Your hack will load fast because a single search is faster than a group search. Another use is to add a layer of protection on your script. GG has a feature to log script. Normal group search and edit script can be easily stealed by noobs, so in log of offset will confuse the noobs. And the final use is to create a chain of value. Let's us consider there is a diamond value near my gold value. So I can search gold value, then apply offset and reach to diamond value very fast. This is more often used in professionally written code. Now we will see how to make an offset script. Let's take this game as example. The score in this game is 12. Click it and click Go to. Here you will see some values. Now take a value near it. This value must be one of the value in your group search. If you don't know about group search, then watch tutorial 9 in my Telegram channel. Select your main value and not changing value near it and find the offset. Now copy the value near your main value and start recording script. Search the value. Save it and now apply offset. And here is our score value. Stop recording script and a script file with the codes will generate. You can run that code and you will get the output. Here you can see that this is the score value which we found. Go to the place where you recorded script. And there you will get the codes, edit codes and more to use in your script. If you don't know how to make script, then check out my other videos. You can see there. Or you can just download my script making beginner guidebook for free. Over and out.